you how to use the Find Appointment feature. To navigate to Find Appointment, go to the appointment page, and then you'll see your appointment book over here. If I click Find Appointment and type in a name, I can come in here, I can select a new date or use these numbers for weeks out. Then I go ahead and I select my service. And then I can choose any worker and go ahead and click search. If I click search, it's going to display my results. Currently, my results are displayed in chronological order. So you'll see occasionally there will be a ranking, which is a star that will display. That's going to indicate that it's the best available appointment. That means that it can go at the beginning or the end of the day. It can squeeze in between another appointment and so on. The better it maximizes your day, the more stars that will appear. So let me show you that. So if I click search, you'll notice this is a 3-star. This means that it probably closes a gap in the day or goes in between 2 appointments. It's just really a great appointment to book. So if we can gear Josie towards booking this Brazilian blowout at 3:30 on Monday, May 23rd, that would be best. And then we'll go ahead and click book. In addition to clicking book, if she didn't want any of these times and that time didn't work for her, we can go ahead and use our waiting list and just click add to waiting list, or I can click book. And then you'll see down here, it did. It closed out our day. It overlapped perfectly with another appointment that had available time in between. And it's just a really great way to maximize our appointment book. If you want to see your Find Appointments listed by rank instead of chronological, you would go to Setup, Set Up Appointments and Emails, and down here where it says Display Availabilities, you can change from chronological to ranking order. In addition to that, if you want to see only maybe 10 appointments at a time, you can display starting with 10 availabilities, and then of course click Save, and those adjustments will be made. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.